music and film and television and commerciality. You know, we are sales people out here in LA. My name is Dru DeCaro. I go by Falconry when sitting here in the production layer, but I started my little journey as a guitar player. The big goal when I was 15 was to just get on the tour bus and go. Then fast forward to getting here, and my world got way bigger and the bar got way higher and the colors got brighter. I was bartending / booking at the Viper Room. And that was a game-changing 5 years for me. One fateful night, I met Miguel, the R&B artist, at the Roxy, and we became fast friends, and then we ended up taking off for just shy of a decade, doing a lot of touring and writing and growing. The sync game is so interesting because you write a song, you forget about it, 2 years later, it's finally coming out. It's always great when that happens, but the sync thing is a little bit more immediate and you gotta have your stuff really well organized. I welcomed the switch to disco just for my own sanity. But at that point, it had already become sort of the industry standard. The user interface is really clean and it seems like built for what we do. That's really important because in sync to some degree, and certainly in pop, like aesthetic and vibes are such a huge part of what you're sending. So I find it fun and probably good practice to have several pages going so I know who I'm talking to and how I want to present to them, and I can cut away all the fat. But I think we're in the era where sharing is caring, and that is back to why disco is like so central to my daily practice here. You got to be communicative and you got to get the bounces off of your hard drive and into somebody's inbox. That is when we know that we've done our job for the day, is when we upload the disco and send the link. That's when you go take a break or, wrap it up.